Hello everyone, my name is Jatinder Singh and I am making some blogs regarding with the international students. My topic is international students, but I am here to cover some important topics regarding with financial aid and international health insurance, as these are the most important key points to get your visa ready for to study abroad or in other countries. Health insurance and financial aid is the most important common point. So if you are interested in study abroad, you have to get your health insurance as well as your financial loan from the registered companies, as these are the requirements for to get your US to study visa, like in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA also. Maybe it is compulsory for all the countries, because when students was fell sick or they got some injuries, the government is not providing you your health expenses or financial expenses. So these are the main points to get your visa ready. So I will also discuss about like how financial aid and health aid recovers you and helps you to live well and in a good condition in other countries without any support. So financial loan is the helpful task to pay tuition fees in abroad. The students who are managing their fees wants to managing their fees by their own. It is good option for them to do some financial loans. Some colleges are also providing financial loans, and GIC is also the good option for them, because when you are not able to pay your fees, you have another option, GIC. With the GIC you can pay your tuition fees and also your living expenses, because I am an international student here, and I can discuss my own problems. Like I was not able to pay my third semester tuition fees, and I had some amount in my bank as a GIC, and the bank is providing it me like $200 per month. And when I get that money, I ask to my college that I am receiving this money as monthly, and they agree with me like I can pay my tuition fees in installments. So this was the option for me. And regarding with health insurance, when you are out of country and your parents are not with you, this is the hardest and difficult point for you to survive without health insurance. Once my friend fell sick, and we got to a manager to get some medicine, and he charged us 3 times more than regular patients, because he told that you don't have any health insurance, and this is the policy that they have to charge lesser for regular patients, and if they don't have and if you don't have any health insurance or health number for the particular country, they can charge you more. So I request you all to, if you want to study in abroad, financial aids and health insurance is the most common points you do, and these are also the requirements for the countries to study abroad. So that's all for today. Thank you.